Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix no audio or audio issues in Rocket League. So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to open up a search bar and just write sound settings. And on this, make sure that the right output and input device is selected. And here you can test it out. If you want to, you can, as you can see here, troubleshoot and do a bunch of different things, but it's not too important here. But what is important here, we need to go to app volume and device preference here and make sure that also output and input is selected. Good, the output and input. And if you're running Rocket League now, make sure that it's on default, or you can test it out to select the right input and output, and make sure that you have the good amount of master volume. And also make sure, let's say it's Rocket League, make sure this basically button is not pressed, that is mute, so make sure that it's not on mute, and also the basically it has a lot of volume. And then what you need to do here is to go back here, and then you need to press on sound control panel here, and on the recording select the microphone you're using, and then go to properties. Make sure that the microphone level is also quite high, 70-80% is quite good, and then go make sure that these two options is selected. Allow applications to take exclusive control of your device, and give exclusive mode applications priority, right? Make sure to save if it's not selected. And then on playback, also make sure to locate your headphones or sound system, and do the same here. As you can see here, advanced section, you should see exclusive mode, and also these two options is selected, and it should fix your problem. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.